Welcome back, my friend. This is your host Neil Cross playing Knockout City. And we are still in the mutation rotation. Because it's fun, but I'm having a lot of trouble with the dodges and the jumps, specifically with my internet. Oh my gosh. Like seriously, jumps can kill me, literally, if I jump in between a hole, target balls and through walls. Okay. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh. There you go. Hiya. Ah, no, don't start internet. Coño! Ah, let me jump! Oh no! Lol! I wonder... Oh, okay. I wanted to see if I can go through. Nice catch you. Oh, I shouldn't have dodged into him. I'm sorry. I ruined your point there. Oh, nice. Ah. No. GG. Nice, nice, nice. Yaha! Through the walls is very, very nasty. But my internet is kinda nasty too. Do you know that anime song that is running on the background? That was a really good anime. Nice memories. But I think the big brother of the main character was probably the coolest of them all. Ooh, we're tiny! Fast little brawlers. Ha! Yeah! Ooh, pizza, pizza. I wanted to pass to you, but it didn't pass to him. It didn't track to him.
Blue team takes the lead.
There you go. Ah, Lagu. Oh, my mind is still in the things can go through. Ah! Nice. GG's. Ah!
It's all tied up. Gold team takes the lead. It's all tied up.
Paso. There you go. GG.
Blue team is pulling way ahead.
Nice. Yeah. No, but seriously, this is hilarious. Ah, I didn't man. Oh no. Ah, too bad. That was a little bit too fast. A little bit too fast there. Oh, I wanted to throw the other guy, but he killed it. Nice.
Blue team needs one more point.
Can I grab? What the internet, please. Please, let me move.
Blue team wins.
Oh my gosh, my internet is horrible. I can see probably why also. What the crap? Okay, Lost Ark is updating. It's queued for update. Shouldn't be doing anything right now, but okay. Well, let's queue for another one, and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Oh my gosh. GG, beautiful job there. Thank you for the carry, because my internet cannot carry me, definitely. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds.
But if you can't
Yeah, okay, we got another match. I got disconnected from the last match. Told you my internet is bad right now. It was about to start and I got DC. This fickle internet's very finicky. Okay. That foggy weather. Oh no, no UHD. Okay. Interesting. Are you? I didn't catch the other one. Don't worry, we got it. You got it, you got it, got it, got it. Oh, I don't have the... Neither I can aim like that! Nice. Nice. I got that one. Okay, everything is very full. Ooh. Thank you. Oh. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful moment. Nice pass through there. Nice. Don't forget about the other one. We lost that. It's fine. I'm gonna grab this one. Ah! I didn't hear the ball. No ball there. No, I did hear that one, but I didn't react to that one. This is it can be very complicated if the enemy team gets possession of many balls all the time. Okay, I see. No. Ah, too bad. Okay. Having no idea how many points, that doesn't matter too much. The ball overlay, the red overlay is another thing. Has increased knockback. Yes, sir. I dodge into it. I dodge into it.
Pass to me.
Oh, crap. There we go. Ah, no. Okay, coming. Ah. Oh, nice. Nice dojo. Nice jump there. Okay. Whoa, Lago. I see a ball over there. Why didn't... Ah. Oh, okay. That ball is off. Nice-o.
Blue team needs one more point to win the round. Pass to me.
We lost that one. Oh. There you go. Nice. The ball I passed to him. It went perfect. he went chasing after him without the ball, so I decided, yeah,
Final round.
no catching. Oh no, that is the worst one.
Brawlers can't catch anymore. You're gonna have to dodge to stay safe. Blue team takes the lead. It's all tied up. Blue team takes the lead.
Oh crap.
It's all tied up.
No.
Team takes the lead.
I need to relate too much on my dodges, and the dodges are not very reliable with my internet, so
It's all tied up. Blue team takes the lead. It's all tied up.
I didn't let you cannot dodge. That's okay. I see a problem with this game, this game mode. You cannot dodge after you dodge once when if you get hit.
It's all tied up.
Okay.
Blue team takes the lead.
Okay, you got it.
Pass to me.
Ah, nice shot there. Nice shot.
Blue team takes
Okay, time to go hard. I just need one ball. Ooh, and the perfect ball.
It's all tied up.
Oh. Ah.
Gold team takes the lead.
Okay. Stop going like that. Stop going like that.
Needs one more point to win the match.
Ah, no, I threw it before him.
Team win.
But my teammates doesn't know what it means to pass at all. That's the sad thing. I guess there are new players. And the dodge is not reliable with my internet. Ah. But it was pretty fun. It was pretty fun. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll be recording a lot of videos on Knockout City, at least one per day, that's for sure. And once I get my internet back, I'm gonna be starting doing a lot of live, so stay tuned for those ones. Go check out also my Desert Online series. It's getting some heat up. Looks like people are liking that a lot. Even have way more views than my Knockout City average video, like 5 times more views. In a couple of days. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Balls on you and balls on me. Lag on me, and I'll be recording.